Earth Trine, this is your reading from Zedam Astrology for April 2023. This is for all ascendants of this trine. You are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So let us move on and let us see what the cards are in store for you for this month. Okay, Earth Trine, as you know, I always bring something different. I always try to liven up your lives a little bit, give you something to talk about, a point of interest, a point of critique, it all up to you. And, I've just added back the videos this week to just give you a little heads up as to, how I do things at Zedam Astrology and what I do for you as my subscribers. So here we have the first card, Tower. The second one, Mountain, and the third one, House, and all these are past. The present brings the garden, the sun, and let us see, the moon. So we have garden, sun, and moon in present. And in the future, we have book, bouquet, and the final card here is letter. And the surprising cards of the Bhagavad Gita and the deity will be done during the process. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see what April 2023 brings for you from Zedam Astrology and the Lenormand spread. So as we saw, we have Tower, Mountain, and House in the past. And the Tower, it's all about changes, sudden decisions that you may need to take. It's about your status, your establishment, something about uh, institutional buildings, as it were, official buildings. So, was it about work? There were obstacles placed in your way because of some issues with official buildings, with your status, and it created obstacles for you that affected your home and your house. So this is in your past, and the tower, represents sudden. It was sudden. It took you by surprise. You had to overcome those obstacles because they affected your home. And let us see what remains standing for you in the present. Garden, sun, and the moon. Well, well, well. So your network, your group, your social life is what is happening in the present. The sun here, the sun is success, happiness. The moon is about recognition, inspiration, emotions. So you are still in that social life. You have been given that reprieve. The sun is there to give you success and happiness, and it's all about the moon, all about your mental health, your mental capacity, your recognition, your emotion, your inspiration, so that you are in a good place despite the obstacles in the past that affected your home from these official buildings, these official government, probably corporations, your job, your partnership, those things that affected you really in the past. You have overcome those obstacles because here you are in the garden, you are socializing, and this socializing comes straight from your home. Your home wasn't broken. No matter how hard they tried, they didn't get through. They didn't get through. The moon here, knighted with the tower, tells you are still thinking about those sudden changes, and you probably still have some upsets about it. You still have emotions about it. But it has not affected you at present. It just didn't, because you are just thinking about it. But happiness is here for you from the sun. Happiness is at present. No matter what they tried or how they did it, it didn't work. You overcame those obstacles, and you are in the present in a beautiful garden surrounded by people who have your best interests at heart. Surrounded by persons who you have formed ties with, who will bring that happiness. They're bringing an end here to something, but the sun is there. You are moving to a better place. The moon, your emotions and inspirations are telling you that you are in a good place now. And what does the future hold for you? The future says messages will come. This book is knowledge. Secrets will come out. Secrets will come out, but you'll get blessings and and happiness and gifts, and messages will come for you that will allow these secrets to come out, these dark secrets, but it will give you happiness. It will bless you. You will have beauty. You will get gifts. This is really a good reading for you, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, for the month of April. Good things are going to happen. You know, there were bad things in the past, but good things are going to happen now. You are going to come out smelling like roses because we're uniting the bouquet here with the tower. And no matter what these obstacles and sudden changes and decisions were, you are coming out smelling like roses, as we say, a bouquet. And this bouquet, when knighted, also comes with a home, so that your home is going to be happy. You are going to feel well loved. The letter, the news is going to allow you to socialize, have a social life, to have good persons around you, because these messages that are coming here, it's documents that are coming to you, new documents, new messages that will allow these secrets to come out, but they will make you happy. Because we always say Buddha always says the truth, the sun and the moon can never be hidden. And this is what we are seeing here. And then we have the letter here being knighted with 20. Then we have the knowledge coming out, secrets that will affect your home, but in the future it's telling you it's all about a good bouquet, a bouquet smelling like roses, as we see. It may have a little bit of thorns in it, but it is smelling like roses for you. So a very good reading, a very good reading, Earth Trine. And let us see the restless mind, and this speaks to the moon. And the restless mind is from the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verse 36. And it said, you know, yoga is difficult to attain for one whose mind is unbridled. You know, however, those who have learned to control the mind and who strive earnestly by proper means can attain perfection in yoga. This is the opinion of Lord Krishna. And the yoga practitioner whose mind is unbridled can never attain self realization. Only one who has mastered the self and who strives by right mean is assured of success. And you know, it leaves a pathway here for you to make the mistakes, because you're not God, you're not Jesus, you're not Bhagwan, you are the human with a restless mind. But it's telling you here that once you strive by the right means, in the right way, at the right time, you are going to be assured of success. But it also tells you, you know, that you strive, not that you achieve it. You strive to achieve it. So try your best. You are going to make mistakes along the way. You are going to probably revert to certain ways that you had been accustomed to, that were embedded on you, that you felt you had to follow because that is what brought you success. But if you try to do it in the right way, success is assured for you. And that restless mind, that moon, is where that restless mind is coming from, because you understand that sudden things are happening. You understand that you still have some angst against what happened, that you know that there is that anger, there is that need for retribution. But don't ever be a judge. Leave that up to Bhagwan. You live your life, you strive by the right means, and you will be assured of success. And let us see the date, segment, the wounded healer. And you know, the lioness, the lion-headed goddess of war, is one of the oldest known Egyptian deities. And she protected the great pharaohs and led them in war. You know, and from the breath of the goddess, we are told, the desert was born. Her very name is derived from the Egyptian word for power. And she was known for being fierce and bloodthirsty. But we call her a wounded healer because when her father unleashed her and he recognized that, you know, he wanted to punish the world for not following his laws and the law of the land, he sent the Eye of Ra, who was Sekhmet, and she ravaged the people and land, and it was covered with blood. But Ra started to feel sorry and he wanted to call off the lioness, but she was too bloodthirsty. Her rage got in the way of her understanding that she had to stop. So you don't let your rage get in your way of understanding that revenge is not yours. Live your life according to the law. Live your life according to your beliefs, and do not sway from it. And Ra had to give her a drink to fool her, to make her sleep, so that when she slept and when she got up, her rage dissipated and she was okay. So that, she was a new person. Her bloodlust had diminished and humanity was saved from her wrath. Justice and balance existed once again. So this is what you have to look for: justice and balance. Get rid of that rage, that need for revenge, that need for judging others. Judge yourself. Don't judge others, you know, so that at the end of the day you can move forward. Justice can be served, a balance can be recreated so that humanity lives on. Be yourself in the right way at the right time, doing the right things. So let go of that rage, let go of that anger from that tower, from those governance, from those establishments, from those corporations that may not have treated you well, because it is good now and it is going to be better later. So this is your reading, Earth Trine, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn for the month of April 2023. With Bhagwan's blessings, I have brought one video again to you for this period. I hope that all is well with you. You are happy, you are healthy, you are safe, and that something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dream. Be safe, happy, and healthy until we meet again. See you next time.